Who'd you vote for? Barack Obama? Lola?
Bye-bye.
For?
High school.
Yeah, it's still
Jesse.
Circle.
Who did you vote for, Jesse?
Barack Obama.
He's like, hee.
I voted native.
Well, I voted for.
We must move on. Some of us who have already begun to break the silence of the night have found that the calling to speak is often a vocation of agony.
You gotta sing.
Ready, everybody?
You gotta sing.
Barack Obama, Barack Obama, I love you, I love you. Joe Biden, Joe Biden, Joe Biden, knock, 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 knock. Yeah, welcome.
Never sing of course he's ever.
Oh yeah, that's
What do you
Mama.
got there? Show mommy.
Barack Obama.
Picture of.
This is Barack Obama. That's Barack Obama!
And what else are you gonna say, Jesse?
Ah!
Yeah.
Obama. Say Obama.
Can you say Obama?
She said Obama.
Say it.
She already said it.
Say it.
Obama.
Oh yeah.
Obama.
Okay, Lola, you need to get off of there, Mommy. And Jess, come.